Okay, here I am showing you it in action. I've got the app on my other phone. The Bluetooth is ready. I'm going to connect to it on the app. This isn't really the finished app. And then you'll be able to see the relay go. You saw it light up and you can hear the garage door go down. Here, we'll stop it and see that. So the Bluetooth app makes it go. We just hit doink. There we go. You can hear the garage door moving. And that's it. It's all right there. The Bluetooth and all the different items. You can see the Bluetooth blinking in the back, and it's all explained in the article.